A for, B for, C for. Now that I've got you learning, let me tell you the importance of one of the alphabet, T. This isn't the class for a KG student. This of course is something which has a lot of relevance in everybody's life. Stay invested on this video. My name is Rajesh Chatangadi, your Shubchintak. Let us dive straight into and understand the importance of the alphabet T. To bring forth the importance of the alphabet T, I'll break this T into 4 different components, 4 different parts of T. And all of these 4 parts start with the letter T. And to drive the importance of this alphabet, I will use the analogy of a doctor. Imagine that I was ill. What do? The first thing I do is to go to the doctor. That is the start of my relationship. That particular relationship starts with transaction. That is the first T. Anything that starts any relationship to blossom has to have a transaction. That transaction could be a discussion, that transaction could be a financial transaction, or that financial could be a professional transaction. But a transaction is needed. The first part of the alphabet T is transaction. Now the doctor takes all the details from me, the symptoms, etc., and he then prescribes me some medicine. But do you know what? He actually is not giving me medicine, but he's asked for some other T. He's asked for the time. That is the second part of the alphabet T, time. So when he prescribes a medicine, he gives it for a week to be consumed, right? And that 1 week is what is the time taken for the medicines to work properly on me. So he is binding in for some time to drive upon the importance of taking medicine and to show that he is important and he has done his duty well. But then what happens? After the second or third day, I seldom do take the medicines, and I suppose all of you too do the same. So then what happens? What is this third component of the alphabet T? During the entire time frame that the doctor had asked, the third T gets formed. And that third T is nothing but trust. Because just on the second day, I usually feel hale and hearty. So what happens? There is a trust that gets developed on the doctor's medicine. And we say that the doctor is really good at his work. So we stop taking medicines, isn't it? So that is where the trust is developed. And that forms the third part of the alphabet T. You might wonder, what is the fourth part of the alphabet T? The fourth part is nothing but testimonial. Because the doctor was good, because the medicines worked on me, because I developed a sense of trust on the doctor, I usually will end up telling a lot of my friends, colleagues and relatives that in case if you aren't feeling good, then this is the doctor to visit to, and he has got a good hand at his profession. That is testimonial. Coming back to our thing, as to how can we relate all of these 4 T's to our profession. So how does the T fit into our scheme of things? Well, let me tell you, unless and until you transact with us, there is never going to be anything subsequent that gets developed. The transaction could be in terms of getting in touch with us, discussing certain things on your investments and insurances. Subsequently, based upon our goals and its allocations, give it time to flourish, give it time to get matured. And that's how the trust is going to get developed. And if you have followed most of our Instagram stories, Facebook, all our social networks, including our videos, you would have seen a lot of our clients have always given us testimonials. And probably the viewers who are watching this video are a part of Think Family because of somebody referring them to us. And that is what testimonial is all about. To complete the entire importance of T, unless and until you become a part of the Think Family, which also stands and starts with T, one can never be successful in investments and insurance. Now that you know the importance of the alphabets, repeat with me. A for, B for, T for, you got it right, T for think. This is Rajesh Atangadi, your Shubchintak at Think. Till next Thursday with yet another video. See you soon. Guru Gurvar.